So I managed to do most of it, and then I was just going over it now with the lower setting, and unfortunately I think the battery's going again, but I did manage to cover that. There we are, I think that's it. So we'll have to charge these batteries again. I think the best thing is not to use this, because I could easily just go over this with the petrol mower, and then maybe go over this if I want to clean a cut afterwards. But yeah, I thought it would at least cover the whole lawn once, but it's not really doing that. It does look nice, and it has a nice sized box at the back, easy to use. Maybe they've got another model which is a little bit more powerful, maybe, and more suitable for a slightly larger garden. But there are much smaller versions of this. I mean, I thought this one would cover what I needed, but unfortunately not. So I look forward to seeing you again soon with the petrol mower.